The $7,363 secret, this isn't my paycheck. It's what my AI business made last month while I backpacked through Bali. No team, no fancy degree, just 5 smart systems working 24/7. Today I'm giving you the exact blueprint, from niche selection to scaling, using only AI tools you already have. First step, discovering your money-making niche in under 60 seconds. Stage 1, niche selection. Finding a niche that truly excites you requires digging deeper and exploring areas where your passions intersect with unique market demands. Instead, consider vibrant topics. By embracing these engaging subjects, you open up a world of potential where creativity flourishes and your enthusiasm draws an audience. Identifying your goldmine means transforming your interests into a thriving venture that resonates with both you and your target market. The 3-way niche test AI scouting. Use ChatGPT's advanced data analysis with analyze trending subreddits and identify 5 underserved niches where people actively spend money. Profit check. Paste niches into Ahrefs, free version. Look for 1K, 10K monthly searches. Passion filter. Ask yourself, could I create 100 pieces of content about this without wanting to scream? Real example. Sarah combined her nursing background with AI to dominate CBD for nurses, now making $4,000 a month. Stage 2, AI automation. Now that you have the tools at your disposal, it's time to dive into the automation process. Start with make.com, sign up for your free plan and explore the intuitive interface. Next, create a visual workflow that seamlessly connects ChatGPT with your WordPress site. Imagine the efficiency as new content is automatically shared, saving you hours each week. Remember, this integration isn't just about saving time, it's about amplifying your reach across social media platforms, ensuring your audience stays engaged and informed effortlessly. Get ready to see automation in action. Bardeen.ai takes your skills to the next level. This tool excels at efficiently scraping competitor data. As you adopt these advancements, you'll see that automation not only makes tasks easier, but also allows you to concentrate on what genuinely counts, expanding your brand and building connections with your audience. Start using these tools now and embrace the future of productivity and engagement. Stage 3, content machine. With this unique system, you not only maintain high content quality, but also ensure your voice stands out in a crowded digital landscape. By combining cutting-edge AI tools, you can focus on strategic creativity while boosting engagement and driving traffic. As you watch your niche grow, remember that each step builds upon the last, keeping you ahead of the competition. Now, let's dive deeper into how you can implement and modify these techniques for your specific needs and goals. The path is clear and your success is just around the corner. You are capable of transforming your ideas into powerful tools, adapting this blueprint to fit your brand's identity, and reaching your target audience effectively. Embrace the change and watch your digital presence thrive as you apply these strategies consistently. In conclusion, by strategically employing this AI-driven content assembly line, you empower yourself to not only create valuable content, but also to establish an authentic connection with your audience. Your journey has just begun, and with perseverance, there are no limits to your online success. Stage 4, monetization. Imagine a world where your online efforts effortlessly convert into profit. Start by utilizing Affiliate 2.0, where AI intelligently analyzes reader preferences, allowing you to create direct comparisons of product A and product B tailored to various specific use cases. This method can lead to impressive commissions, ranging from 20 to 75% on high-ticket items. Next, envision the creation of digital products where ChatGPT generates compelling 5,000-word ebooks on topics within your niche, while Pictory AI transforms those texts into engaging video courses without you lifting a finger. Seize this opportunity to innovate and maximize your income today. In this digital landscape, the potential for generating revenue is not just a dream, but a tangible reality. By leveraging AI technologies and innovative strategies, you can create diversified income streams that not only enhance your financial success, but also provide value to your audience. Embrace this trifecta and thrive. Stage 5, scaling. In the world of AI, repurposing content is vital. For instance, a single blog post can seamlessly transform into 3 engaging tweets, a visually appealing LinkedIn carousel, 5 eye-catching Pinterest pins, and even 2 snappy YouTube shorts. This ensures that your message reaches a varied audience, maximizing your content's impact across different platforms. Each adaptation provides fresh opportunities for engagement, making your content strategy much more efficient. As you explore these innovative strategies, remember that smart outsourcing is equally crucial. Consider hiring AI-trained virtual assistants at just $5 an hour to streamline your workflow and amplify your results. This combination of AI tools and effective delegation can significantly enhance your productivity and creativity in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Your 3-step launch process is designed to empower you in establishing a successful business in the AI space. Start by commenting on your niche to receive tailored AI prompts. Next, enhance your learning with the complimentary AI Business Builder Kit offered in the description. Finally, subscribe to gain access to an exclusive case study detailing a 17-month revenue strategy, set to be revealed next week. Seize this moment in the rapidly evolving landscape of AI. Opportunities like this are fleeting,